So I stayed here last night, and out of all the places that I've stayed, this is definitely like the dirtiest in terms of trash, which sucks because I feel like if you're gonna squat somewhere for like a night or two, at least pick up your trash. I feel like that's why people will crack down and mark places off and shut it down, because people act like this. So hopefully I'm gonna try and pick up some of it and clean up a little bit. Like, look at this. Tons of trash everywhere. Found an old VHS tape over there. But I'm gonna stay here tonight as well with one of my friends, Max, so maybe I'll pick up more when we come back. Look at how much just from this little area in like 2 minutes. And there's tons more over there and a lot more over there. There's just like tons of to-go food bags. I feel like people just come over here, eat their food, and then just throw it out the window and continue on their drive. But I'm gonna go surfing, and then I'm gonna come back later and probably get more. Luckily there were no spiders, or I would have instantly quit. So many eagles here, it's crazy. There's tons over there, tons over there, tons in the trees. So the ways out here in Washington are actually really good, but unfortunately they make you pay $5 just to park anywhere, so you can't surf without paying $5, and I got here this afternoon. So if I want to surf tonight and then surf tomorrow right before I leave, I have to pay $10. So the last two places I've surfed, last one was in Oregon, now we're in Washington, you had to pay $5 each time you want to go park and surf. So that's kind of a bummer. It's not something I'm too used to back in California. I'm sure there's some places you have to, but not really where I go. Ooh. Just started raining. Okay. What a great day. It's raining. Beautiful beach, got good waves. Look at that. Woo! Oh shit. dude over there is probably like, what's this Kook doing with a GoPro? John, told you there's good waves out here. They probably look small, but on this GoPro, but they're decent. They're like 5 feet for sure. Maybe a 6-footer every once in a while. Oh. Oh. Here we go. How nice it is out here. Well, that was a blast. My arms are smoked. Towards the end, it just started getting blown out and I got caught inside just trying to paddle out for like 20 minutes and I just couldn't do it. Ended up giving up, but that was fun. I was kind of nervous at first, so I paddled out without the GoPro, caught a couple waves, and then it was really nice, so I immediately came back, grabbed the GoPro, probably caught only maybe 2 more, but it was fun. And now it's pouring, unfortunately, and it was raining yesterday. But I definitely can't complain. First 2 weeks of this whole trip, the weather's been amazing. But on the bright side, my car was super dirty, so I get a free car wash. And more rain means more clouds, and more clouds means better pictures. So tomorrow maybe I'll try and find a cool hike. And I just gotta find out where I'm gonna sleep tonight, because you can't really do it anywhere around here. And it's supposed to rain for like the next 5 days or so. So when the sun does come out, it's gonna be even nicer. So I'm just as much of an idiot as I thought I was. Yesterday, I wanted to capture the nice waves, so I took out the GoPro. And unfortunately, some water drops blocked the whole view, so you couldn't even really see on most of the clips. So after finding out there weren't any waves in the bay, I went back to La Push. The waves were still good, so I went out again, had another good session. The waves were still fantastic. Not as good as the day before, but still great. And got even more footage. I made sure to lick the lens. I did it the first day, but I guess it wasn't enough, so I made sure to lick the lens a lot so there weren't any drops of water that would ruin the footage. And had another great sesh, was so stoked to view the footage. I took a shower in their facilities and was packing up the car, put the GoPro on top of the car, packed it all up, and then I drove away. And then I got to where I was going to camp for the night, and I realized I didn't have it, and I never took it off the car. So I just spent the last several hours, couple hours at least, backtracking. I went to the resort office. They said to go to the store right by there. I went to the store. The store said to go check out the police station. I went to the police station. Nothing, obviously. I wasn't expecting anything. I talked to some people around that might have seen it, and they didn't see anything. Yeah. And then by the time I just got back to the campground that I found, that was pretty nice. Now someone's there, so now I have to find a new place to sleep. So I'm having a tough time right now. It's not a good day. Yeah, I'm not very motivated. I'm really pissed at myself. I thought I would learn from my mistakes, but I obviously don't. I've been doing this my whole life and I still haven't learned from it. Unfortunately, I've lost many things. It's countless. This is probably I think this is the fourth GoPro I've lost and I still haven't learned from my mistakes. So hopefully I can eventually get myself together. I feel like I let myself down and I let my sister down. She was nice enough to help me get the GoPro and I'm just an idiot. So we'll see. Just gonna crash somewhere, and there's a really cool hike that I want to do that's not far from here, so I'll try to do that tomorrow, and maybe that will put me in a better mood. But yeah.